Okay, so you may have landed here because you saw a bed bug in the bathroom. Before you go into a state of panic, let's go over some of the possible reasons why this bug, that's usually near places we sit or sleep, is now in the bathroom. Finding a single bed bug in the bathroom is unusual, but not unheard of. In most cases, the bed bug just ended up in the bathroom. They are usually not setting up shop in a bathroom. Instead, more than likely just ended up in the washroom and will find a more suitable home in time. Bedbugs don't drink water or go after any type of food crumbs like roaches. A bedbug is not similar to a roach at all. A cockroach survives on food crumbs and water, whereas bedbugs survive on blood. Bedbugs are attracted to CO2 and warmth when we breathe. It will trigger them to start moving. Over the past 10 years, dozens of clients have told me that they found a bedbug in the bathroom. So as you can see, this is not extremely common, but it does happen. Feel free to comment below if this happened to you. So before we go over the top reasons why you might find one in the bathroom, here's what to do if you do find a bed bug in the bathroom. First, take a photo of the bug and save it. You can collect it on tape and then put it in the freezer. Make sure to write the date you found the bug on a Ziploc. Many pest control companies and canine inspection companies will ID your bug over email. Get your bug correctly identified before jumping to conclusions. I've gone on way too many bedbug inspections where the bug the client found is not actually a bedbug. Other bugs commonly misidentified as bedbugs are bat bugs, spider beetles, carpet beetles, roach nymphs, swallow bugs, bird mites, book lice, or even pirate bugs. Saving the bug gets important down the line if you live in a building where it turns out to be a building-wide issue. You'll want to save this bug for future evidence. The next thing to do after taking a photo and saving the bug is to do a thorough bedbug inspection in your bedroom and living room. You can hire a bedbug dog to inspect for you or do it yourself. I would definitely start first by doing it yourself. Hiring a professional can be an essential step in helping you determine if that bug you found in your home is a lone hitchhiker, a traveler, or a sign of a more extensive infestation in your home. But definitely start doing the inspection on your own. Next, you'll want to keep in mind that some states have laws in place that require the landlord to provide bedbug extermination. So if you're renting an apartment, reach out to the landlord and let them know you found this bedbug in the bathroom. Next, buy mattress and box spring covers. Wherever that bug in the bathroom came from, there are more. So if you don't know exactly where it came from and don't see any other bed bugs in your home, a bed bug encasement will help you monitor the bed as well as minimize any seams and hiding places in case another bed bug shows up. We'll link to these down below. Next, seal up all cracks and crevices in your apartment. Don't forget to seal up the seams around your water pipes, steam pipes, as well as any air vents. One resident we were helping on the Lower East Side of Manhattan went to the extreme measure of putting tape over their air vent because he kept finding bed bugs in the bathroom. Once he put the clear tape over the air vent, he would catch a few live bed bugs trying to crawl out the air vent. The tenant caught the live bugs on packing tape, so he could now show them to the landlord as proof and evidence. Okay, so now that you know what to do if you found one, let's get into the reasons why you would have a bed bug in the bathroom. First up is the laundry basket. So if you have a bed bug issue in your home and you keep a laundry basket in the bathroom, whenever you put clothing, pillowcases, or bedding into that laundry basket in the bathroom, you're at risk of getting bed bugs in the bathroom. Next up is that a neighbor is self-treating. If one of your apartment building neighbors is setting off DIY bedbug bombs, and the bedbug bombs are causing their bugs to scatter, you may get one in your bathroom. The bedbug bombs are not strong enough to kill bedbugs, but instead it makes them run, which could be why some bedbugs end up traveling to other apartments through vents, radiators, and pipes. The third reason is that if you work in an office with a bedbug issue, you may have carried one home on your clothing and accidentally dropped it off in your bathroom. It's always best to change out of work clothes right away and put them into a dryer. A fourth reason is that if one of your neighboring apartments is dealing with an infestation and their colony of bedbugs is getting too big, the bugs may need more food sources and start wandering into your place. This is when they will begin to migrate into other apartments. A fifth reason is that if you recently went on a trip where you may have picked up a bed bug on your clothing, upon arriving home, if you went straight into your bathroom, then you may have dropped off this hitchhiker. A human can pick up a bed bug on an airplane seat, a train seat, Uber car, doctor's office, or any other shared seating, so it's always best to change out of your street clothing as soon as you get home. A sixth reason is that you may unknowingly drop a bed bug into the bathroom in the middle of the night. If you have a bed bug issue in your bedroom and in the middle of the night you get up to go to the bathroom, you're at risk of bringing one into the bathroom. A bed bug may have been in the middle of feeding on you or crawling on your clothing, and you can accidentally transfer it into your bathroom. A seventh reason is that if there's an apartment on your floor with bed bugs and one of your neighbors accidentally dropped off a bed bug in the hallway, this bed bug can wander and find its way into your apartment while it's in search of a food source. It could randomly end up in your bathroom. An eighth reason is that a bedbug can enter a duct or vent system in one apartment and exit the duct or vent in a neighboring apartment. It's not likely for bedbugs to create a harborage inside of a duct system, but they can travel inside of one. A bedbug can travel through an air vent, but the air vent itself is not a likely place to find an infestation, unless it's right next to a food source. And a ninth and last reason is that a bedbug can travel along a plumbing pipe and get into your bathroom cabinet. This is especially true if one unit is self-treating. Traveling along the side of a plumbing pipe and then coming out into the other apartments can be a way they can get from one apartment to the next. Traveling on the inside of plumbing pipes is less likely than along the outside of the line. So many of these reasons have to do with either someone self-treating or making their bugs scatter or not taking proper precautions upon arriving home. If you want to avoid and prevent bed bugs, it's always best to change out of your clothing you wore in public. Don't just throw the dirty clothes in the laundry basket. Put them immediately into a washer and dryer, a bed bug heater, or a sealed bag until you can get to it. The bed bug heater called Thermal Strike Ranger is super easy way to heat clothing as soon as you get home. We'll link to that below. It will kill any bugs that you may have picked up on your clothing while out and about. Feel free to comment below if you saw a bed bug in your bathroom.